Hey guys, it's Nadine. Today I'm doing a quick little day in my life featuring BonChon's K-Fries. It's World Fries Day today, so I'm encouraging you guys to try their flavored fries out. I'm filming this on a weekend, so I got up at around 7:30 a.m., went straight to the bathroom and changed because we're going to the gym. One of the best feelings ever is going to an empty gym. It's just great because you don't have to feel self-conscious. I decided to go to the grocery afterwards because I'm gonna make lunch. I cooked, again, tuna omelette and some Korean shabu-shabu like thing. I actually made too much and we had leftovers for the succeeding days and I got really sick of this. On the weekends, I try to work on YouTube/Instagram stuff, so today I'm trying to take some pictures. So I got ready and now I'm taking some self-timer photos by myself. It sounds really lame, yeah, but I think it's fun. It's 2:45 right now and I'm going to the movies with my mom. We're going to have a snack and then watch a movie.
BonChon and we're waiting for our fries.
Dun 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 dun! Here are the K-Fries from BonChon. There are two flavors, Seoul sour cream and Korean BBQ. Comment down below and tell me which one you would like to try. And also, I have a giveaway on my Instagram happening right now, so check that out and you might get to win some BonChon gift certificates.
So we're gonna try the fries out. I think this is barbecue. No, mine's sour cream. Mine's barbecue. How? It's so crispy. And the powder is like yummy.
Let me try that one. I think my favorite is the sour cream.
It's so crispy. Yeah. Pero I like their fries kasi may lasa na yung patatas mismo.
Yeah, it's not salty.
And the flavor is like just right.
I love it. I love it. I love it. If you're just not so hungry, you can order this one.
Yeah. Mommy, sugar mommy. Okay, we're gonna finish our French fries and then yeah.
When I got back home, I had to plan for a video I'm shooting during the week, so I did some planning, and of course it's an outfits video if it isn't obvious. Hey, I completely forgot that I was vlogging today. I had dinner with my family. We had pasta and coffee, so I'm well caffeinated right now, and I'm gonna get ready for bed. It's actually just 8:57. Let's get unready really quickly. I'm doing my skincare routine. I'm removing all of my makeup first and I do a triple cleanse just because I don't want any makeup on my skin. And then I use toner. Dear Claire's has been my favorite since before. And then I'm using this moisture ampule serum thing. So I use the vitamin C serum from Dear Claire's, let that sink into my skin, and then I follow it up with Ritual PH's plant-based facial oil. I think this one is a game changer. I do see my acne scars lightening because of this. Anyway, I know this video was super quick, but I hope you enjoyed kind of going through a bit of my day with me. Thank you so much, BonChon, for collaborating with me on this video, and as always, this video was from my heart to yours. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!